All right, y'all, so we got today another unboxing for you guys, and this one right here, I feel like, in my personal opinion, they look better in hand. Like, you know how sometimes you see a sneaker, you see the pictures, it's not until you get it in hand, you be like, man, that sneaker's actually fire. It's kind of a plain colorway, especially for a Kobe 6. And because I think a lot of people weren't checking for this sneaker because around the time that it was dropping, we had the Chicagos, the taxis, we had the whole Travis Scott issue going on. So it was like everybody's attention was focused on something else. But today, if you're on the fence about copping this sneaker, I hope this review helps you guys out to determine if you want to cop or not. Today we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, on feet, sizing tips, all that great stuff on the Nike Kobe Protro 6 Caitlin Clark PEs, man. These things right here are totally fire in person, bruh. Let's talk about it.
Gee, thanks, Mr. Peabody. Well, what is it?
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today, as I stated, we're gonna be talking about the Kobe 6 Protro Caitlin Clark PEs. These shoes surfaced, I want to say she rocked them last year, if I'm not mistaken, bro. She hasn't played that much this year, but pictures did surface of her hoop in the knees and a couple of other pair of 6s that we're hoping to get. And yeah, Nike blessed us with this pair. But before we get off into this unboxing, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. If you are not joined up, you're going to see a little button down at the bottom that says join. If you're not joined up to the community, Kickstart Technology community, make sure you guys do that. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel, it supports the channel, and I'm here for you guys. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about this box. So we have your standard Kobe 6 box right here. What's been coming in 2025 and stuff like that. You got the gold Mamba logo. This is the size tag right here, color code and all that good stuff. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. You got your Mamba logo right there, and then on the other end you do have your Nike logo right there. Taking the top off the box, you're gonna have that standard black Mamba logo paper. No Caitlin Clark branding on these things. It's literally just Kobe, and a lot of people are upset about that. A lot of people don't like that, but hey, we ain't gonna get on that subject today. White paper, no quality control sticker, and that is it for the box. So now let's take a look at these shoes. As I stated in the opening of this video, these shoes are a lot better in hand. So in the pictures, they kind of look like more of a pale. The colors don't seem that vibrant, but as you guys can see right here, the colors are actually pretty vibrant. They are like almost like a wolf gray in a university blue. You got the university blue swoosh, Nike swoosh on the side right here. Going across the back end of it, you have like this shimmery white, you know what I'm saying? And then on the back end, you do have that same blue colorway with the light blue Kobe signature on the booty of it. Booty looks real nice and shimmery, you know what I'm saying? Same thing on the inner side of the shoe with that blue Nike swoosh. The reptilian skins are going to be a little bit, and I love the thing about the 6s is sometimes you don't have the gradient. You know what I'm saying? What I mean by that is you don't have the offset of colors that goes from light to dark, you know what I'm saying? But on this one, you do have that, and I feel like that looks the best on the Kobe 6s. So on the toe box, you do have that gradient. It's more like a grayish color right here, and then it gets brighter as it goes along the side, going into that blue, as you guys can see. Super dope. Only set of laces on here is going to be your blue pair, and then you have the Mamba logo in that hyper blue as well. Insoles, the shoe trees are going to be just your standard shoe trees that look like this. When it comes to the insole, you're gonna have a blue insole as well. It is the same insoles that come in all the Kobe's. You know what I'm saying? Nothing special, just your standard insole right there. Y'all see the bottom blue Mamba logo on that insole. As far as the sock liner goes, it's going to be that blue colorway as well. Going along the outsole, it is like It's not a white, it's like a tinted white. What I mean by that is it has a little bit of a gray hue to it, and then you got the Black Mama logo right here. But then as you see right here along the outsole, right along the midsole right here, that is actually white. So we have your white midsole with a little bit of a grayish outsole to give it a little bit more color on that bottom. So I guess it won't be as dirty, that white. But y'all see them right here. Here's the other pair. Here's the right one right here. It's the exact same thing, nothing different. Like I said, no other accessories. These were actually $200. So they was a little bit, so they were actually $10 more than your standard Kobe's. I don't know if that's gonna be the new norm for these Kobe's. And that's what they're gonna be doing. Not sure about that, but it was an extra $10, and some people were upset about that. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about these things? How we feeling? Do we like them? Do we love them? When it comes to sizing for these things, I'm gonna tell you guys, definitely go a half a size up. If you are a wide footer, go a full size up. These fit like your standard Kobe 6s, and as you guys can see right here, the toe box is really narrow on these things. So I would say definitely a half a size up, especially if you're gonna pay that aftermarket resale price for it. Do not go true to size on these things unless you got an anorexic foot. You feel what I'm saying? Definitely go a half a size up. Wide footers, you might want to do that full size up. But again, I definitely like this sneaker. Aesthetically, I feel like these shoes are fire. Aesthetically, I feel like these shoes look way better in hand. And I know, like I said, sometimes you got to get a sneaker and you have to get them in hand to actually see if you like it or not. And I do feel like this is one of those sneakers. Overall, it's your standard Kobe 6, just in a different colorway. And you know what I'm saying, Caitlin Clark ended up wearing them. But I already know the saying, man, rock was like not was hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe 6s, just bait. Or if you need to share my faith, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Knowledge.